So this is a new method of creating an illusion for crochet braids, and it's the best one ever.
Oh, it's Rita, baby.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I created this illusion for this twist boho braids. Now as you can see, my client has a short hair, which adds a bit of a challenge to the styling process. Normally with longer hair, you'd section the hair, work with separate parts, but for the shorter hair, that approach doesn't work quite the same. So instead, I adapted by working gradually, going around and creating the illusion of boho braid. It's all about using small section and blending as you go. This way I was able to build up the volume and shape the hair bit by bit. So um, the key to this kind of hair is patient. You need to be patient. For short hair, you have to take smaller section and really pay attention to how the hair is falling. If you try to do too much at once, it can become messy or uneven. So as I was creating the braids, I made sure to take my time and really focus on each little section, ensuring that the look was consistent throughout. That's one of the things I really enjoy about working. It's like molding with clay. Watch this video up to this moment. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, click on the notification bell so that anytime I post a video, you'll be the first to know, and share this video to your family and friends, and also tell me what you think about this video in the comment section. Thank you. So this is me braiding section by section, and this process was super important because with shorter hair you need to make sure that the braid style stays secure and in place. So one thing I always do braiding short hair is to keep the tension just right, not too loose, but not too tight either. So you want to create the boho vibe where the braids look soft and relaxed, but still has enough hold to stay intact time the person is going to carry the hair for as long as possible. So now moving on the illusion. This was a fun part of the process for me. Illusion braid. Well, the braid really helps to show the concept clearly, especially for those of you who are visual learners. In this my illusion, I focus on capturing that loose, laid back feel of the boho braid. So it actually looks like you're braiding the hair, like single by single, not just the old method of crocheting hair into the braids. Like then you will know, the whole world will know, oh, she did a crochet. But with this illusion, you're going to see that the braids are kind of like it's a single piece, but you and I know that it's not. It's not, and you can't just waste like 7 hours, 8 hours to sit to make your hair to get your hair braided. So with this, you can just take about the maximum time you could take is like 3 hours, and you are done with this. So the key to a boho style is in the details, the loose strands that frame the face, the way the braid isn't too tight, because you don't want to create some bumps on the scalp of your client or your customer or anyone you braided the hair. So you don't allow the braid to be too tight and allow it to flow naturally. It's so that it will give us that illusion look we're looking for. So now about the crochet braids, some packs might not be enough for your hair. Like my client used 8 packs for her hair, which was not even enough. But I kind of make sure we make use of everything and try to fill in some gaps, and that's why I started fixing that from the back, and now I'm doing that to the front. I've not even touched the middle. Now you can see some spaces, but because the front is fuller and the back is also full, then the one at the front is going to cover those ones at the back, giving it a fuller look at the end of everything. So this is me trying to fill up all the gaps, making sure that I make use of all the twist boho. So I think that's the last one because, well, there's nothing much I can do. But I just really love how everything is covering. Yeah. So speaking of texture, after completing the braid, I always like to finish off with some product to enhance the look. Towards the end of the video, this is actually my hair growth oil, which I made myself. I do apply this on all my clients' hair to stimulate hair growth. If you want to know how I made this oil, let me know in the comment section. This oil is fantastic for adding shine and smoothness without making the hair feel breezy and weighed down. I personally love using it because it gives that beautiful polished finish while also nourishing the hair. So after the oil, I went in with some mousse to add a bit of hold to the style, especially with short hair. Not short hair per se, especially with boho twist like this one, the hair with coils. And mousse is great because it had some light hold without making the hair stiff or crunchy. I also wanted to keep that soft pleasurable feel of the braid so that the mousse was perfect for that. So one thing I want to emphasize when working with short hair is to be mindful of the product you are using. You don't want to overload the hair with too many heavy products, especially when you are aiming for a relaxed boho look. And there you have it. That's how I created the boho hair using small section, building the illusion, finish it up with some oil and some mousse to hold it in place. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I always appreciate your support. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. I have plenty more hair tutorial tips and product recommendations coming your way. Stay tuned. Bye.
Oh, it's Rita, baby. Oh, it's Rita, baby.